The Smart Gadgets presents the 5 best soldering gun. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. AG PTX 60 watt 110 volt pencil type adjustable electric temperature gun. This top-rated soldering kit is made from the highest quality iron and features a working voltage of 110 volt. With its ample cable length and iron length, you can be sure that this soldering gun is going to show peak performance even with large jobs. It also has ample power and comes with 5 pieces of solder iron tips. The gun features adjustable electric temperature and is pencil type in design. Customers love this kit because it's easy to use and take on the go, and it's constructed from durable materials that ensure that this gun is going to last. Coming of our list at number 4. Weller D550 PK Professional Soldering Gun Kit. This soldering gun kit comes from the Apex Tool Group, a name that customers have come to trust. This is a professional kit, but it can be used by non-professionals with equal success. The fingertip trigger allows you to select either high or low watts for the most controlled output, and it's designed with the pistol grip for the ultimate in comfort and ease of use. There are 2 lights on the gun that illuminate your work, and the gun is designed to heat up quickly so that it's ready to use in just 6 seconds. The kit comes with an assortment of accessories in a molded plastic storage case that is easy to carry on the go. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. Weller 8200 PKS Universal Soldering Gun Kit. This universal soldering gun kit is the ideal solution for hand tools, tool organizers and hobby tools. Manufactured in Mexico, this is a universal, all-purpose gun that is top-rated and highly valued among customers. It features a pistol grip design that has dual heat that produces 140 or 100 watts. The handy light illuminates your work, making it easy to solder even in dark places. The kit is backed by a 7-year warranty, so you know that it's going to stand the test of time. The kit is also UL and CE listed, ensuring its safety and performance. Nearing the top of our list at number 2. Weller D650 Industrial Soldering Gun. This gun is a great product from Weller. The Weller D650 is a great gun which produces either 200 watts or 300 watts of power. Of all Weller soldering guns, it is the one with the highest output of power. When shipped, the package weighs 3.4 pounds. The gun itself weighs just 1 pound. The input voltage is always 120 volt, although it has dual output of 200 watt and 300 watt. It has a housing that is heat resistant made from thermoplastic to ensure your safety when using it. It is also designed to ensure that you work on the job smoothly. The tool uses a 2-wire, grounded, heavy-duty cord. And coming in at number 1 of our list. Wall-Link LG 400C Heavy-Duty Watt Soldering Gun. This gun is a great tool for all kinds of soldering jobs. The tool is simple to use. The trigger provides a response that is instant. The double wattage feature is also a great addition, and the tip is heated by the higher, 400 watt wattage quickly in a matter of seconds, while the lower, 150 watt wattage maintains the temperature of the tip for which it is rated. The tool has a 1-inch work light which lights up the entire workspace. When shipped, the package weighs in at 2.4 pounds. The entire package also contains a heavy-duty carrying case that is great for portability and storage. You can use the gun for a variety of functions, be it automotive, sheet metal, motors and appliances, among others. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Thanks for watching our video. For more, subscribe to our channel.